Title name: Mesothelioma lawsuit settlement. This is the Mesothelioma settlement. Last update October 29, 2021. Mesothelioma settlements occur when lawyers who represent asbestos companies agree to compensate a victim who was exposed to the company's asbestos products. On average, mesothelioma settlements award around $1 million. Our team can help you and your family access financial compensation. What are mesothelioma settlements? Mesothelioma settlements are a common resolution of lawsuits involving asbestos related diseases. Mesothelioma victims can get a settlement from filing a personal injury lawsuit, whereas wrongful death lawsuit settlements can award mesothelioma compensation for family members after their loved one has passed. In a mesothelioma settlement, manufacturers of asbestos-containing products agree to pay a sum of money to individuals affected by asbestos exposure. This amount is determined through negotiations between both parties' lawyers. An experienced mesothelioma lawyer will have the expertise and resources necessary to build a strong claim that will result in a favorable settlement timeline. Working with a specialized attorney may help patients receive asbestos claims payouts that cover all or most of their mesothelioma medical expenses. Mesothelioma settlement amounts. Mesothelioma lawsuits settlement amounts vary depending on the details of a patient's asbestos exposure, cost of medical expenses, type of mesothelioma diagnosis, and other contribution factors. The victim and their legal team will request a certain amount of money based on their case value. When the lawsuit is first filed, in most situations, asbestos companies will pay out an amount of compensation sufficient to cover all the victims' expenses and secure a future for their loved ones. Average mesothelioma settlement amounts. The average mesothelioma settlement is around $1 million. This amount represents the total sum of money that all the manufacturers named in the lawsuit had to pay. Some lawsuits may award more or less than the average amount depending on the specific aspects of your case. Notable mesothelioma settlement amounts. Our partner law firm Simons Hanley Conroy has decades of experience in asbestos litigation. The firm has a proven track record of successfully securing compensation for mesothelioma patients around the country. Past mesothelioma settlements Siemens Hanley Conroy has secured include $10.2 million Navy veteran Washington, $9.5 million construction worker California, $6.5 million Army veteran and oilfield worker Louisiana, $1.2 million second-hand exposure Missouri. Connect with Simons Hanley Conroy to get a free case review. Benefits of mesothelioma settlements. There are many benefits to a mesothelioma settlement. One of the main benefits of a settlement is to help patients pay for their mesothelioma treatment. Most lawyers prefer to pursue compensation for their clients through a settlement versus a lengthy trial. Some benefits of mesothelioma settlements include their fast settlements allow patients to receive mesothelioma compensation in under a year's time so they can pay their medical bills and keep their families financially secure. They are effective. The costs of treating mesothelioma can exceed $4 lakh within the first year. The average asbestos settlement amount may cover medical costs and other related expenses such as loss of income and emotional distress. They hold manufacturers among countable. Asbestos manufacturers signal their products were dangerous but are orchestrated and industry-wide cover up so they could continue making money. Though through a settlement, these manufacturers agree to pay for the harm they caused. They are less risky than a trial. During a trial, a judge and or jury may find the manufacturer not responsible for the asbestos exposure. In turn, if the victim loses the case, they may receive no money from the that manufacturer. How are mesothelioma settlement amounts determined? Your attorney will work to prove to the court how the manufacturers were responsible for causing your disease. Your legal team will look at several factors to determine how much money to request in the agreement and try to negotiate the largest asbestos settlement amount for your specific case.